This is the Apo Island here in Negros Oriental. Apo Island is one of the top 10 best diving sites in the world. Number 1 is Tubata Reef in Palawan. From Dumaguete City, you have to ride a bus going to Bayawan. It's approximately 45 minutes. Then you have to stop on Darwin. Then from Darwin, you have to go to the port. From the port, you have to take a pump boat for another 45 minutes. Then the thrill of Apo Island starts here. You can go to the lagoon. You can go to the Marine Sanctuary, which is the number 1 tourist spot here. You can interact with the villagers. You can see the pawikan and other marine life. You can go to the lighthouse. You can go to the Baluarte. Again, Apo Island is one of the top 10 best diving sites in the world. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in Apo Island.